So if you're in a situation whereby you can't send text messages, I'm going to show you how to fix that in this video. If you notice that you can't send text messages on your Android device or your iPhone, there's only one reason you can't send text messages. You don't have your correct service center number. So to fix this issue, you have to go to your messaging app, go to the settings, go to text messages. Of course, this might be different depending on the phone you have. So look for where it says service center number. Click on it. For you to send text messages, you have to have the correct service center number for you to send text. So to get this correct one, you have to Google it. If you have AT&T Verizon, you must have their correct service center number for you to be able to send text messages. For example, I'm using an ISP called MTN, very popular in Nigeria. So to get that, you just have to Google it. Go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and search for MTN Service Center number for SMS. So this is what we're looking for right here, this number. So you have to copy this, go back and paste it here. Click on save. And now when you go back, you can now send text messages. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. As you can see right here, the message has been sent and I got a response. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.